Moschino, saw fights with the old chinos. I use my feet like a keto, you little like the Vito. It's your alter ego, up in the vault I got the ego. Then I stash it in the Rego when I go to see you. Fuck you mean, dude, your whole persona see-through. I could let a leader bleed through, but we don't need to. I two-piece you, ACG boots, jeans and V-suit. My whole team's rule, but see we need food. She 3 weeks through, I got no questions, fuck my ass cool. It's a blast from the past in the glass full. Shorty that I passed the glass to, say I'm bashful. Yeah, that's cool. Break it up into all capsules and flip it to the maximal. What I had to do, whether crack it on after school. If I'ma have to, I'ma blast a fool. And we can knuckle up, and you can catch an uppercut. And go and tell your friends how you got sucker punched. At least you know that you can't fuck with us. I'm at the function, sitting punch with sluts, relax as fuck. Talk little shit, enough to back it up. Can't remember who shorty was, but she was acting up. Homie passed the blunt, full of wax and hash with Yakima. Girl, you on my dick just like a catheter. I'm asking you, who you heard before? They got the flow like German war with bird knees. The artist formerly known, got caught and grabbed the Patron, broke it over his head. I'm drunk, so I'm smoking reds. I'm smuggling pounds of reds. I'm living this shit for real. It's rare that I'm missing mail. I'm telling this bitch to deal. She's saying this sounds good, and she gon' come see how I feel. Oh shit. Being Ralph straight road like Moses. My clothes smelling cologne and smoking. That I'm coming, you won't even get the notion. It's some shit you couldn't cope with. Oh shit. Being Ralph straight road like Moses. My clothes smelling cologne and smoking. That I'm coming, you won't even get the notion. It's some shit you couldn't cope with.